If I close my eyes, I'll probably end up dreaming about you. But then again, if I stay up, I might call you on the phone and say that I want you, I need you.
Hey, welcome back to Joyce Michelle. It's me, Joyce, or Michelle, either one you can call me. But I just came to you all with this look tonight. It's November 2nd and it's Saturday night and I'm not going out. But I just came to bring you all a look from the Nubian Earth palette from Juvia's Place, and I tried to use as many Juvia's Place items that I could. So hopefully you all will enjoy the look. This is going to be a talk through. So please do me a favor, go ahead and subscribe, and please thumbs up the video and comment on what you like. These shadows were so easy to work with. So easy to work with. I just love I think the number one company with eyeshadows that are the best to me is hands down Juvia's Place. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. Hey beauties and bows, welcome to Joyce Michelle. As I stated before, so let's get into the video. Right now I'm applying my Triple Bounce Serum from e.l.f. I must use this because I am a dry girl. The next item I'm going to be using is the e.l.f. Sun Touchable Invisible Sunscreen. And then I start out with a eyebrow pencil from Juvia's Place. And it is in the color Ebony. It turned out pretty good. This is the first time I've ever used a brow product from them. It turned out pretty good. So it took a little warming up, but after I got it warmed up, it did pretty good. So I'm just I'm sorry. I was looking at the video. I'm just filling in my brows and going over them with the spoolie. And so the next item I will be using to actually clean up the brows is the Juvia's Place concealer in the number 12. I really need to go and re-up on my products from Juvia's Place. In the scene later on, I want to talk about the Juvia's Place, what is it called? Radiance, Natural Radiance Foundation. But we'll talk about that after I get to that part in the video. So now I'm just etching out my brows and cleaning them up with the concealer from Juvia's Place in the color number 12. And I'm just evening out the concealer. Now I'm using the one size in translucent. Y'all, if y'all are taking advantage of the Sephora sale, please go get the Ultra Pink. It's good. Next, I'm using, this is my first time using the Nubian Earth palette. Y'all, this palette was on sale on Juvia's Place, but it was sold out. Child, I had to go to Ulta. I still had a coupon for it, but I had to go to Ulta to get this palette. And it's really got some different looking eyeshadows in there. And y'all, when I say the eyeshadows in the Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes are top tier, chef's kiss, they really are. Now, for one of the I don't want to say glitter, but sparkling or shimmer shades, I'm using the NYX glitter primer, and that helps with the eyeshadows that have the shimmer in them. I got a little bit at the bottom of my eye, but I did clean it up afterwards. You'll see that. So I'm just spreading the NYX glitter primer over, and I'm going in with a gold. It's like a burnt gold, so it's not like a regular shiny gold. It's like a bronze gold. And so I just cut the crease with that. Just enjoying. I love their eyeshadows. Every time I see a palette from them, I have to go try it. And I don't know what caught my eye about the Nubian Earth palette, but honey, it was gorgeous. Next, I'm going in with a lighter gold shimmer color just for the tear duct. And then I go with a matte highlight color or brow bone highlight color. And then I just go back in with the transition color. I just reapply some of the eyeshadows to bring back the fullness. Alright, next we're going to start with the e.l.f. I don't have a primer from Juvia's Place, but honey, that e.l.f. grip primer is the biz naive. And so now I'm finna start with the Juvia's Place Natural Radiance Foundation. Mine's is in the color Burkina. And I'm this color in any other foundation with them. I don't know why this is so light. Now, does it oxidize? I do believe so. But I also have to help it with the cocoa contour that you'll see me use later on. But I just went over it with a brush really, really good and blended it out as best as I could. Y'all, it's kind of late. I'm using that Juvia's Place number 12 concealer again, which I do love. I love Juvia's Place face products too. And here's that bronzer from Juvia's Place. What I'm doing is I'm letting my concealer, I don't want to say bake. I'm letting it cook a little bit, just a touch. And so then I'm just going over my face, the perimeter of my face with the bronzer in Cocoa. Now I'm actually using that same bronzer to contour my nose. Yes, I mean, she contoured down with this. So I just love that Juvia's Place bronzer. Let me see, is it a bronzer or a contour? I think it's bronzer. So now I'm just blending out my concealer with a wet, or not a wet sponge, but a damp sponge. I wet it and then squeezed it out. And then I also used a towel to get as much water out of it as I could. So now I'm going in with the One Size Ultra Pink. Y'all, it's something about that One Size Ultra Pink that is, I think it's the blurring effect. The blurring effect of it makes it top tier. Chef's kiss, even though this ain't food, but this is top tier. And so I'm just going over all the places where I had concealer. So now I am using a Juvia's Place liquid blush in Marigold Glow. It has the blush and the highlight, even though I did go into it later with the highlight. The Royalty 2 by Juvia's Place is the highlight that you'll see later on. So now I'm just blending everything in, and I'm going back under my eye, under the eye, to do my bottom waterline. I used the darkest brown in there, and I also used the transitional color under there as well. This look turned out perfect to me. I don't know what to call it. I could say it's natural glam. I would say, now I'm putting on my Sephora powder micro. Ooh, I need to go and I got so many things I need to re-up with from Sephora. And now I'm using that highlighter that I talked about. Even though that blush lighter also helped, using the Morphe setting spray, which is my absolute favorite. Next, I'm going to be using Juvia's Place lip pencil, and this is in the color Lux Under. And then I'm also using the Juvia's Place Oasis. This is a part of the Nubian Earth collection. So hopefully you all enjoyed this video. Go ahead, subscribe, thumbs me up, click that notification bell twice. I will see you all soon.